Hi there, my name is Rachel Brooks. I'm a student at BYU Idaho. I'm proud to announce that after 4 long years of hard work, I graduate with a degree in public health next month. Through my studies, I've gained a love for good health and nutrition. It's extremely important for adults to maintain a healthy diet, and arguably more important for children. And that's what I'm here to talk about today. Less than 1 out of 4 8th graders in Clark County, Washington are eating 5 servings of fruits or vegetables per day. While this statistic is low, it's even worse among older students. Now, we all know that it's important to feed our kids fruits and vegetables. So why aren't we doing it? Maybe our kids seem active and healthy, so we think they're fine. Or maybe our time is stretched so thin that we offer what is easy or convenient. Whatever the reason, our kids are suffering, and it's important that we make the necessary changes to help our kids grow up to be healthy adults. Leslie and Stuart Raymond are parents who were able to help their son Elliot go from being, in their words, a sickly child to a healthy child. Elliot had severe eczema from the time he was 1 and was suffering through his 7th ear infection when he was 3. Elliot saw numerous specialists for his raw, itchy skin condition, but no one could seem to help him. Finally, Leslie and Stuart sought help through nutritional treatment. They adopted a diet for their son that was rich in fruits and vegetables. After only 2 months, their son's conditions disappeared. He no longer suffered from eczema or ear infections. The Raymonds had one serious advantage in this story. Their son was only 3 years old when they changed his diet. The reality is, the younger the child is, the more control over their diet you will have. Before your preschooler heads off to kindergarten, you have, as the parent, a lot of control. Let's talk for a minute about easy ways you can incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your preschooler's diet. Does your little one like smoothies? Most kids do. In addition to the fruit you are adding, try adding spinach or cucumbers. Neither one will make the taste change much, but it will add important vitamins and minerals. Most kids like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Try adding a banana into the mix, or try rolling up the banana and peanut butter into a whole grain tortilla. Another idea is, instead of offering crackers or cheese at snack time, offer fresh fruits and vegetables. Keep a container filled with pre-cut carrots, bell peppers, celery, and cucumbers so that they are ready for a quick and easy snack. As a parent of 3 young children, I know it can be hard to eat well. It's much easier to offer packaged foods that are ready to go, but our kids need us. They need us to take the time to feed them well. Their future depends on us. Do what you can today to make your preschooler's tomorrow a healthy one. Thank you so much for listening today. Resources were found in Dr. Joel Fuhrman's book titled Disease Proof Your Child and Clark County's demographic webpage.